Hey friends, if you encounter the error resampledmo.dll is missing in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's what we have to do. Open your browser and search for Microsoft C++ redistributable. Okay, and then go to the Microsoft C++ redistributable page. Scroll down, click on the x64 version, and then click on open, and then click on repair to repair it. Now, if that doesn't help, then straight away search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter. Now, let it run. It will just work on the background and minimize it and let it run. It needs a long time to run. So let it do its job. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.